To Debsville Cucina. All of us have heels of bread or pieces of bread and stuff that we just don't know what to do with, and it's a shame to throw it away. So since I've been making my own sourdough bread, I've started taking what we don't eat, because I'm gonna make a new fresh loaf, and I've started making croutons. And let me just say, they're delicious, great in soups, great in salads. And so I just show you how easy it is. This is the rest of the bread that we just weren't gonna eat. And I put some olive oil on the bottom. And then and I can't give you an exact amount. You just have to kind of feel it, because I don't know how much bread you're gonna have left over, but this is, I don't know, a couple cups of it. And I start with putting olive oil on the bottom. I add some olive oil onto the bread. Then I add some garlic powder, depending on how garlicky you want it, some onion powder. You can do Herbsw de Provence. Today I'm gonna do, this is a little bit of oregano, a little bit of basil, and then I will mix it up till it all looks like it's kind of soaking up all that good olive oil. I'll let it start browning here, and in the meantime, I have the oven turned down to about 325. So that's the important thing, is if you can do it in a stove to oven skillet, you're much better off, because then you can just take this whole skillet, stick it in the oven, and then again, you have to watch it, depending on how many cubes you've got in there, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, kind of keep an eye on it, and you've got some really good croutons.